So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize DeepSeek for grammar correction. So for that, you simply need to go ahead and type this prompt: correct grammar. Let's add in a dash and then add in a sentence with very bad broken English. So I'm just going to go around and say, I go shopping Saturday morning with family, have fun time, good time, weekend, right here. So you can see that I have a very broken English right here with some spelling errors. So if I were to go ahead and send this out right here, then what happens is that DeepSeek will simply go ahead and then says, here is a corrected version of the grammar. So it says, I go shopping on Saturday morning with my family. We have a fun time and a good weekend. So this is what it actually turned this sentence into, as you can see right here. And the grammar is not corrected a lot. And that is how you can utilize DeepSeek to correct very bad sentence structures as well easily, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.